We'll guide you through how to use the DJI Mic Mini receiver. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So with this, you can go and connect the microphones to it, and then you can connect this to another device, like a phone or a camera. So we'll guide you through how this can be done. So let's get started. So what we need to do is first of all, go and power this on. So you need to go and find the power button. As you can see, it's on the left here below the turner. So tap and hold this. You know, it's on as the light will start lighting up, as you can see, flashing green. Now you can come onto your mini mic, and what you want to do is go and turn it on by tapping and holding the power button like so for a couple of seconds, and it'll then start glowing. We'll start off on the receiver. So let's go and tap and hold the power button on the other side to the power button. You know that it's in the right mode because you'll go and see these start glowing. Then what you want to do is you want to come onto the mic and you want to go and tap and hold on the power button, and this will go and start flashing green or blue or glowing, as you can see. And then shortly they're going to go and connect. They're now successfully paired. You'll see the light on the top here is flashing as this isn't currently connected to another device like a phone. Now, if you want to go and change how the microphone goes and works, whether it's stereo or mono, you can go and find the pair button just here, and you can go and double tap it. You'll go and see that it then goes and changes to a blue cyan color. Personally, I like to use stereo. For most people, that's going to work great. If you know you specifically want to go and use it in mono, you can go and change it. So let's change back. The turner or the knob control on the left is for the gain control. So you can go and increase this by twisting it, or you can go and decrease it by twisting the other way as well. You've got 6 and 12, plus and minus. So go and increase that if you find you need to. It's worth doing this after you tried using it though. So now let's go and connect this to a camera or phone. So if you're connecting to a camera, you need to go and use this cord here. This goes and plugs in here, and you plug the other end into the camera itself. But in this case, I'm going to be using my phone. So in that case, you need to come to the bottom of it and you need to go and find this cover and go and slide it off. And then what you need to do is go and get the connector, and this will go and slide in. So go and push it like so, and it will then go and connect, as you can see. Now what we need to do is go and connect this to the phone. So let's go and grab it. In this case, I have to go and remove the case just because of the connection. And then all you need to do is go and push it in like so at the bottom to make sure it's in there. If you're finding your iPhone has the old lightning port, you need to go and get an adapter. So as you can see, that's now a solid color as we've successfully connected. And so now we can go and start using it. It's connected, and now you can go and start using it. So we could go and open up the camera app. What's worth doing though is going and using the DJI Mimo app. So you can open up the App Store and you can then go and find it, DJI Mimo. I just searched for it already, and we can then open it up. You can see we've got it connected. We can press go to settings, and we can then go and press authorize. Go through the settings and adjust them to your liking. You can go and change the noise cancellation, the strength of that, and you can go through here and change the rest of these. For example, you may want to go and turn the mic LED off, but yeah, that's up to you. And so then what you can do is just go and start using it. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.